I'm recording this after the car meet, and technically this title is a little bit clickbaity because I'm not actually driving the car, my brother is, but it was such a fun meet. So without further ado, let's roll the clips. Oh, I know who that is. That's why. I know these people.
Here we are.
Jerry Jackson here.
I'll have both cats tomorrow for you.
Oh, I'm not going to be there.
Actually, 3.
I'm not going.
You're the one with the cat? My gosh. Finally get to meet who had him.
Yeah.
I know this was out of your budget by a couple thousand.
I don't think, no, well, maybe that generation.
Yeah, this is the 11th gene I was telling you, or the 12th gene I was telling you to get. And this is the FL5. The FK is the one that was in your budget that I really liked.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
2 of them, so you have. Yeah. I'm never going to live that story down, by the way. That S2000 is better than a Boxer engine any day. Oh, here you go. This is cool. Here's the white one I was talking about.
I'll take it.
This is really cool.
Oh my gosh,
this is actually
freaking mirrors.
Yes, this is the actual V12.
I'm not really a fan of these light mirrors.
But you gotta remember, in Japan, this was the VIP car, so they have this and a flagpole in the front too. This is what business owners would ride in. Fully adjustable seats, AC. You have a drink cooler in the center and a sat phone in the back, so you can call people from the car while going down the road in Japan. Which, this was 99, early 2000s, which was pretty impressive at the time. Cool. What this is a sat phone antenna, but just modernized it, so they don't have it in the front anymore. They got rid of it. I have that Bentley, which is, I guess, similar to this. It's that thing has a phone in it, but it's gone and I can't find one.
What?
I want to put a phone in it. The old phone, Bentley phone. Rally. And then you've got Grant's car. It's welded diff and he'll slide it if you ask him to. It's actually not bad. Because like Lexus's take to try and be Bentley.
You're a walking encyclopedia.
We
for
got no
cars.
time. I literally just
And no friends.
Okay, that thing does not need to be in the Meet. Yeah, you turned around immediately.
Well, I turned around to see what it was.
No, I'm talking about when you looked at it, you turned back around.
Oh.
Didn't even record it.
Yeah.
You said, oh, never mind.
Okay. Let's go back.
This is an actual Lancer? No. Hello.
I didn't know he just got this.
Yeah, this is his one owner car.
That's
so I guess,
insane.
How
much did he spend on it?
I think he bought it when he lived in Japan and then just now got it over here. This was not here in his videos because it's never been in the background. The only way you know this is truly from Japan too is if you look at the mufflers, the stock mufflers, how rusted they are on the back wall. Oh, well? What do you mean?
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
It does. It's great. The keys are in it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, let's steal it.
Sorry, Steve.
We're getting some food.
After you, Kendall. Japanese food, street food.
All right.
Japanese person here. And I recorded for on time.
Nice job.
Retry. All right. So, I would say if you're going to start, you're a salmon person.
Yeah, I love salmon. We gotta go.
All right, we're going to get you one salmon. All right. Now, turn the page. What do we got next? Oh, and this is going to be your dessert. That's our very American style Japanese menu. You're an American girl. I can see it. The Oreo one. Okay. Now turn the page one more time. Let's get you something cool to drink. We have a great drink selection. Would you like to try one of those teas? The strawberry. We'll go and use a strawberry butterfly.
Let's do it.
All right. I'm gonna get you some good food to try. Awesome. Thanks, girl. You gonna try some too?
Whatever you recommend, or I'll take a bite of hers.
You got it. All right. I'll be ready.
Play this. This is a bad idea.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Are we serious? Every time.
Oh man.
I did this 4 times and couldn't get a single one.
Next day was that big.
Hey, more S2000s.
I know,
coming.
that's what I'm saying.
Real nice.
And the next day was that.
Love to see what
Yeah.
you think of that. Yuzu is a really good drink for the hot summer. This time of year, when it's hot and you're sweating and everything's just kind of nasty, this is gonna make you feel real good.
All right.
Refreshing. First Yuzu drink, I would assume.
Oh my gosh, it's very fruity, but it's like not too much.
Yeah.
Or it's like,
It's not like sweet, like crazy sweet.
yeah, I like the little chunks in it.
Yeah, that's the Yuzu right there. That is a very refreshing drink. It's a tea,
It is.
and I'm glad you like it. And don't
we
tell me this is like your first time ever eating seaweed or anything like that too, is
No,
it?
I've had seaweed.
Okay. Do you like sushi? Are you a sushi person? Or?
Yeah, well, I wouldn't say I've had a lot of different kinds of sushi.
Yeah.
But let's see, full.
So, okay, so you're gonna hold up top, all right? You're gonna pull that down. There you go. Then
Okay.
you split the sides open. And these are called onigiri. Onigiri are rice balls, essentially. We make these with Japanese rice, Japanese salt, Japanese seaweed, salmon we cook up here, and it is very delicious. That's our #1 flavor, and I think you're really gonna like it. Really?
Better than sushi. Oh my gosh.
This is Japanese
is
street
good.
food. So when everybody thinks Japanese, they all think sushi. Sushi's a real high-end type of thing. This is kind of more like the everyday person. This is like the girl in Japan driving the S2000 going out on the weekends. She's gonna stop at the convenience store and grab one of these.
This is really good. I'm gonna have to finish this off camera.
Dude, you can take your time and finish it because I have one more thing I want you to try before you go. Definitely, we're gonna have to go talk to somebody too. Who is this? People just can't resist being idiots. Okay. Ready? Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Good. Good. You can leave that cut in, all right? All right, and then for dessert. Now, of course, we just did a quick sampling, but to dessert, you chose something really interesting. This is an obayaki. It's a very traditional type of snack or food, but inside the Oreo is all American. So there you go.
Yeah.
It's like an American girl driving an S2000 right there.
Exactly.
Japanese on the inside, Japanese on the outside, American on the inside. There you
Smells
go.
like a pancake on the
A
outside.
Japanese pancake, exactly. You like that, huh?
I like that filling. That's really good.
Really good, good combination.
It's just like
right?
an Oreo.
That's so
good.
inside of a Japanese pancake. So.
That's really good. What the hell?
I know. I'm telling you, it's so good.
That's not what I would have expected. What does that taste like?
It's literally like a moist kind of Oreo inside of a pancake. It's so good.
You eat all of that and didn't save me a bite.
Oh yeah.
Yo, a kind of underrated car is a Ford Pro.
I actually think
This
they're adorable.
generation.
Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. No, that's already bad. No. It's really hard. I don't even think I should go for that one anymore. Like, what's a realistic one? Oh,
Okay,
my
now
gosh.
I get the third try.
Come on. Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
We're never getting it. All right, it's end of meet. We're heading out. It was so fun. Got to see lots of cool JDM. So
Yep. Awesome meat, good food. So.
it's great food, actually. See ya.
See ya.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.